We are pleased to show you the 2016 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, audio radio, touchscreen display, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, child safety locks, adjustable headrests, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power driver's seat, auto express down window. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.